I cannot be the only person who is fed up with the plastic quick release mounts typically provided for GoPros and action cameras constantly breaking. Most of these mounts seem to be made of relatively brittle plastic, regardless of brand. Having an expensive camera held in place with only one clip is not ideal. Instead of investing my money in 3 or 4 more of these doomed to fail plastic mounts, I decided to try the HSU Aluminium quick release mount. Described as being made of aluminium alloy, the HSU mount is very nicely engineered and finished in matte black. In the box, as well as the mount and appropriate locking bolt, you also get a spanner to tighten the bolt, a lanyard and a rubber stopping block with attachment to keep the clips open, and a small washer. The joy is in the detail, and instead of relying on the plasticity of the clips to fit and then hold the mount in place, the clips on the HSU are spring loaded. Sliding the HSU into the base involves no forcing of the clips, which close without effort when you slide it in and spring open to hold the mount in place. The rubber block ensures the clips cannot move to release the mount accidentally. The 3-prong grip allows the appropriate camera fixing to remain movable until you tighten it up with the bolt. So, a quality bit of kit which feels like it should last the distance and pay back the higher cost over time. As always, I'll update with any more thoughts or problems in the description if and when they occur. It's all good.